Okay, good morning everyone. Hope you all safe with a good health. Let us complete our revision sheet. Question number 4, true or false? Number 1, 4. How many valence electrons does carbon have? So, yeah, it will be true because the electronic configuration for carbon is 2. The first energy level take 2, the second one take 4. So the last energy level take 4 electrons. So the 4 is the valence electron for carbon. Number 2. There are molecules composed of the same repeating small groups of the atomic joined together in the long chain polymer. So number 2 also will be true. Carbon, hydrogen, fluorine, chlorine, oxygen, phosphorus, nitrogen, and sulfur. What other structure can organic compound form? Yeah, it will be true. Number 4. As hydrocarbons, organic acid, and carbohydrates, how are organic compounds classified? Yeah, it will be true. The types of the atomic and molecules and the number of each type of atom in the molecules, it is the combination of the letters and numbers with specific meaning. What information does a chemical formula contain? So this will be true also. Rings and polymers, what are type of structural formula? Okay, yeah, it will be true. Okay, let us finish worksheet 4. Nuclear reaction, nuclear fusion power, nuclear radiation, nuclear fission. Number one, nuclear reaction, it will be number C. Change the affect the nucleus of an atom. So number 1 it will be C. 1C. Number 2, nuclear fusion power. Number 2, nuclear fusion power. It will be number D. Scientists are still trying to develop this. So it will be D. Number 3, nuclear radiation. Energy and particle give off during a radioactive decay. So number 3, it will be A. Number 4, nuclear fission. It will be B. Nuclear reaction in which a large unstable nucleus breaks into two smaller nucleus. So number 4, it will be B. Okay, let us finish. MCQ question number 1. Gamma rays are released doesn't change the number of particles in the nucleus, therefore doesn't form into another element or isotopes. So number 1 it will be D, gamma decay. Okay, number 1 it will be D, gamma decay. It will be gamma decay. Number 2, the release of an alpha particle and energy from radioactive nucleus, and the alpha particle consists of 2 proton and 2 neutron. It produces atom of a different element because it reduces the number of proton in the nucleus. So number 2 it will be alpha decay. Okay, number 3, an atom with the same number of proton but different number of neutron. So it will be number 3, it will be C, isotopes. Number 4, process by which nucleus of the small atom combine to few. Number 4, process by which the nuclei of the small atom combine to form new, more massive nucleus. Extremely high temperature, pressure are needed for them to come together. So number 4, it will be nuclear reaction. Okay, true or false question number 1. Explosions send large amount of radioactive material in the atmosphere. Very few have take places. Radioactive material can leak into the environment. Small accidents, very few non-renewable byproducts of uranium is radioactive. So it will be true or false? Yeah, so number one, it will be number three, true or false. Explosion send large amount of radioactive material in the atmosphere. Very few have taken place. Radioactive material can leak into the environment. Small accidents, very few non-renewable byproducts of uranium is radioactive. So it will be true or false? Yeah, it will be false. Number two, radioactive waste can give off radiation for thousands of years, must be stored safely. This is from disadvantage for nuclear fission. So number two, it will be true. Number three, the fuel used in nuclear power plant gamma ray. So number three, it will be false. Number three, it will be false. A beta particle and energy are released, change the nucleus into an element. The atomic number increases when electrons are released. Atomic number decreases when positrons are released. Gamma ray. So this is gamma ray. So number four, it will be false. Okay, let us solve the last worksheet in this revision. Sheet number one. Complete by using the following word. Water, neutralization reaction, pH value, acid, sodium hydroxide. So number one. What is the measure of how acidic or basic solution is? The pH. Number two, reaction between an acid and base in a water solution is neutralization reaction. So is neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Number three, what increase the number of positive hydronium ion? Number three will be acid. Number four, in neutralization reaction, what and salt are formed? Yeah, water and salt. Okay. Number five, what is used to making soup? Yeah, sodium hydroxide. Okay. Number two, match question. Yeah. Number one, which one strong acid and bases? It will be an acid or base that ionize completely in a solution. So number one, it will be C. Number one, it will be C. Yeah, here C. Number two, hydroxide ion. Which one is hydroxide ion? Yeah, number D. So hydroxide ion, number D. Number three, neutralization reaction. Number three, neutralization reaction. So it will be a reaction in which an acid and base react in a solution to reduce the salt and water. So it will be B. Number three, B. Number four, hydronium ion. Yeah, it will be A. Okay, let us solve MCQ question. 1. An ionic compound made from the neutralization of an acid with base. Yeah, it will be number D, salt. An acid increases the number of hydronium ions when it dissolves in water. Yeah, it will be number D, acid. Hydronium ion, adding base to water, adding acid to water increase the number of hydronium ion. So it will be number C. Yeah, number 4. Okay, there is no 4. True and false question. Number 1, a base increase the number of hydroxide ion when dissolved in water. So this is a base. Yeah, number 1, it will be true. Number 2, basic things with a bitter taste is a gut conducting electric current are. So number 2, yeah, it will be true. Number 3, sour will killing of decomposing bacteria. Preservation edible with acid. Number 3, no, it will be false. Number 4. Number 4, an acid or base that is only slightly reside in a solution, strong acid or and base. No, weak acid and base, so it will be false. Number 5, MCQ question. Number 1, a value that is used to express acidity or base of the system, pH, so yeah, it will be pH. Number 2, processed foods such as jelly contain an ingredient that acts as an antioxidant. Commonly used is ascorbic acid, a natural substance found in many fruits, so it will be number B. Number 3, our blood must maintain a slightly base pH. Blood in a healthy body has a pH of about 7.4, so it will be base or acid. No, base. Base green tea pH of 8, so it will be from 8 to 14. Blood pH become and weakness, so it will be disease due to pH. Okay, that's all. Hope you all understand. Solve your revision sheet and send me the revision sheet solved on the email. Okay, don't forget. Study well. Thank you.